Hello, it's Kirti here at TV Daijiworld's new episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from Dubai. Mangalorean stars present memorable music show at Dubai. News headlines from Mangalore and around. Children's mesmerizing show assures future of Konkani at Kalangan. 21 couples enter wedlock at mass marriage ceremony at Rosario Cathedral. And in our entertainment bash, we have the Man Saban group performing as the last group during Konkani Nirantari. News in detail. As expected, largely, elite gathering at the Sheikh Rashid Auditorium were taken back to their younger days when the most melodious singers from Mangalore with Ravindra Prabhu in the lead performed superbly at Olden Goldie's Melodious Night recently. The elite gathering at the Sheikh Rashid Auditorium were taken back to their younger days when the most melodious singers from Mangalore with Ravindra Prabhu in the lead performed superbly at the Olden Goldie's Melody Night on Friday night. The songs that flowed from the beautiful singing styles of Ravindra Prabhu, Shrikant Kamath, Anita Sampson, A.B. Vittal, Abbas Rajkumar, Asha Mabin were from a fine selection of hit numbers of yore. One of the best events ever organized by the Mahila Vibhaga of the Billava Balaga in Dubai started with a grand opening dance by Sarita Kirodian, who excelled in true Bharatanatyam style. What followed was a feast of non-stop singing with songs like Pakkilu Mooji, Moke the Singari, Dingri Mama, Ekka Sakka, Noorundu Nenapu and many hits from Rajkumar and P.B. Srinivas. The orchestra with Rajagopal, Chandra Kirti, Bhaskara, Rajendra and Arun Carlo were superb with their performance. The president of the Billava Mahila Vibhaga felicitated Suchit Kumar for his excellent service to the community with a shawl and a memento. In the shortest time, Suchit Kumar has achieved the highest achievement in the Gulf and has been an active member in the community. Likewise, another member, Sudhir Sanil, was also felicitated for being the personality behind the first Billava website and for having created a comprehensive website for the Billava community. All the other sponsors were also honored, but a special honor was given to Denzel Fernandez of Soundline Events, who organized the entire show in a professional manner. Without any doubt, it was a night of entertainment which each and every member in the audience appreciated. As one audience remarked at the end of the show, it brought back great memories of my school days. The entertainment was beyond our imagination and think of my times as a child. All credit to the organizers for this show. A truly nostalgic night for the music lovers of Dubai, for whom a great opportunity was provided by Mahila Vibhaga of the Billava community with such a fine array of entertainment never seen anywhere in Dubai before.
ಮಿಂಚಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಬರಲು ನಿಂತಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗೆ ನೀ ಜೊತೆಗಿರಲು ಕೂತಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ವಿರಹದ ಬೇಗೆ ಸುಡಲು ಎದೆಯಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಉಳಿಗಾಲ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿದೆ.
Mass marriages are a blessing for the economically backward families of our society. While Dharmasthala stands head and shoulders above by introducing this unique and praiseworthy initiative some 37 years ago, the St. Vincent de Paul Society of Mangalore Diocese too has been carrying out similar missions for some years now. On Sunday, May 5th, 21 couples from the length and breadth of the vast Mangalore Diocese entered wedlock. St. Vincent Paul Society, SVP of Rosario Cathedral, organized a mass marriage ceremony in the city on Sunday, May 4th. Luis Pinto, president of Mansuban, was the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, he said that marriage is an important medium for realizing God's plans. Therefore, marriage marks a special occasion in everyone's life, he opined. Many families are struggling hard after marriage owing to heavy expenditure they incur during the marriage ceremony. But SVP of Rosario Cathedral has shown the way to cut down expenses. Couples should take steps to control their expenses in their daily life and lead a happy life, he advised. A total of 21 couples entered into wedlock on this occasion. They were presented with household materials and a fixed deposit of Rs 15,000 per couple. Rosario Cathedral Parish Council Vice President Felix Albuquerque and SVP President Rudolph Toro were present on the dais. Father Stanley Govius, parish priest of Rosario Cathedral, welcomed the gathering. Ida Furtado compared the program. Earlier, nuptial mass was held at the cathedral, which was celebrated by Bishop Dr. Aloysius Paul de Souza. Nearly 1,500 people were present on the occasion.
या किरीत संस्कारात तो तुमकां देण्यारी करता आनी घटाय दिता. ह्या पासून तुमचे मन समजून घेवच्याक पवित्र सभे कुजीर आमी आतां तुमकां विसरता. लग्नाच्या सगळ्या निमित्तान एकामेकांसमोर करून एकामेकांक मानाचे घेवंक आनी क्रिस्ताच्या जल्माच्या पवित्र सभेच्या नियमा प्रमाणे तांकां ल्हान करून तुमी तयार आसात. लग्नाचो एक कोण जोडोवंक
All those who are taking initiative to organize these kind of programs should be supported duly by all of us. Mass marriages need to be promoted for the betterment of the society. We still have some more news and entertainment exclusively for you, but only after the short commercial break.
Apurva for apt life.
Inland builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496
Welcome back to Daiji Global Panvision. If any language and culture has to survive and grow, children should be the ones taking lead. If children forget and neglect their mother tongue, then none of the languages can survive for long. When it comes to Konkani, situation seems to be very conducive in recent years. Children are taking interest in Konkani-related activities, while many of them have chosen to learn Konkani in schools. This was very much evident during the children's show at Kalangan during the monthly theatre program organized by Mansaban on Sunday, May 5th evening. These Konkani songs are not new for Kalangan, but the singers who sung these songs were really special here, and the future of Konkani music lies in their hands. The young boys and girls who are just starting in school and high schools really enthralled the audience here with their talents. These young talents were selected from a camp called Fudar Shibir, recently held at Kalangan here. They were given training in various cultural fields like drama, singing, dance, etc. and the finest talents were selected here to perform in the show held on Sunday, May 4th evening. Singers like Arthur Lobo, Clinton Lobo, Roseanne Gomes, Vilma Montero, Neha Fiona Perez, Crismita DeCosta, Disha, Elvita, Justin, Diona, Remo Lobo, Tresia and others exhibited their singing talents and confirmed that there is a definite future for Konkani in musical field. A total of 15 songs were sung on the occasion. Even the skits performed by the young children really won the hearts of the viewers. Amora Montero, who is studying in the class 9 at St. Agnes School, compared the musical show. Her way of comparing the function was well appreciated by the gathering. Thus, this evening's show proved that children can make a difference if given proper guidance and training along with the support of parents. Earlier, stage program was held in which Konkani musician and retired principal Father Valerian Mendonça and philanthropist of Mumbai Juliana Almeida were the chief guests present on the occasion. Addressing the audience, Father Valerian Mendonça said that all should work hard to bring out their talents and everyone should appreciate others' talents he called upon.
शिबिरार्थींनी आपली बोगणा उसारली आम्ही ऐकली आणि ताणी शिबिराखेर जाता आसतना गळयिल्ली दुखांय जायते तांची बोगणा आमकां सांगताली. आमच्या समाजींत जायतीं देणी आसात आनी देण्यावंत व्यक्ती आसात आनी कोंकणी मायेक जल्मल्ल्या भुरग्यां पैकी जायतीं जाणां ह्या आमच्या धर्नीर तशें संवसाराच्या विविध गांवांनी ताराबरी ती सोबून आसात. खंडीत जावन कोंकणी माय ग्रेस्त जावन आसा आनी ही कोंकणी संस्कृती सदांच जी उरयतल्या कोंकणी माय असो बावटो सदांच उबारून धरतलो म्हणून आज शिबिरार्थींनी आमकां भास दिल्या आणि ती भास ते फालतेले म्हणलो बरोवसो आमकां आसा.
Best participant of the camp, Anil D'Souza, was presented with award during the stage program. Meanwhile, camp trainers Shanti, John Permanur, Sweetie and Richie Montero were also honored on the same occasion. Mansoban heads Eric Osario and Louis Pinto were present on the occasion. Titus Norona compared the program. Hats off to these children and special appreciation to Mansoban, which has taken an initiative to train these children. We shall take another break here, and when we come back, we have our exclusive entertainment package for you buffs. Stay tuned.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್, ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಪೂರ್ವ.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುತ್ತು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers, Mangalore.